Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to play Genshin Impact on Samsung Galaxy A17. In this video, we will see overall gaming experience on Samsung Galaxy A17, how good the mobile perform on different FPS and graphic settings. So let's start. So on graphic quality, I'm setting it to the highest. At top you can see there is an overlock, but the game is allowing us to play on this setting. So let's play. So currently we are playing on highest graphic settings. As you can see, there is no lag, and also on the top you can see there is FPS meter and the temperature meter enabled. As you can see, the game is performing very well without any kind of lag on highest settings. Now let's do some fighting. As you can see, there is no lag while playing or doing a close combat. Now let's change the graphic settings. Now I have selected the default graphics and the current performance load is now smooth. I am also enabling the screen recording of my gameplay to see how good the mobile perform while doing screen recording. So let's start. Currently we are playing in a basic setting with screen recording on. As you can see, the game is running smoothly while recording and there is no lag. Now let's do a fight, and I'm also changing my character. Now let's do it. As you can see, it is a tough character. Now let's change it to Ellie. So I hope you like the gameplay and overall experience while playing on Samsung Galaxy A17. I have played on two graphic settings, one the highest and the second is default, and I have also recorded my video while playing. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.